Hello and welcome to Teacher Cathy Online Learning Channel. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at words that start with the sound J. The name for this letter is J, and the sound it makes is J. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. J is for jam. 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 J is for jar. 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 J is for jelly. 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 J is for jet. 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 J is for jacket. 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 J is for jewel. 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 J is for jog. 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 J is for jail. 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 J is for jungle. 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 J is for jellyfish. 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 J is for jump. 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 J is for jug. 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 J is for juice. 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 J is for Jupiter. 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 J is for jeans. 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 J is for jaguar. 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 J is for Japan. 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 J is for jump rope. Jump rope. Jump rope. J is for jet ski. Jet ski. Jet ski. J is for jeep. 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 J is for jigsaw. 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 All of those words started with the sound J. Practice makes perfect. So let's go through all of those words again. J is for jam. 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 J is for jar. 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 J is for jelly. 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 J is for jet. 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 J is for jacket. 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 J is for jewel. 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 J is for jog. 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 J is for jail. 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 J is for jungle. 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 J is for jellyfish. 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 J is for jump. 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 J is for jug. 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 J is for juice. 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 J is for Jupiter. 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 J is for jeans. 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 J is for jaguar. 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 J is for Japan. 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 J is for jump rope. Jump rope. Jump rope. J is for jet ski. Jet ski. Jet ski. J is for jeep. 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 J is for jigsaw. 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 That concludes our J words for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning with Teacher Cathy. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I post new videos in this Teacher Cathy channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless everyone. Bye.